Hey guys, and welcome back. Today I'm going to do this Halloween ombre and nail stamp design. So I'm going to use the sheer polish by Orly called Sheer Nude, pearly orange by Pure Ice called Gorgeous, and neon orange by Orly called Melt Your Popsicle. So I'm going to apply all those colors onto a clean makeup sponge. This design, well, this ombre, took me a while to do because I painted the base color of my nails with the sheer nude. So it took me a few times to get it a dark opaque color, but I have to say I loved how this design came out. This is my first Halloween design of the year, and I have to say I love this design. I just thought it was pretty, it's sexy, it's an adult look. I just love it. It's perfect if you want to be a witch for Halloween. It's perfect witch nails if you want. Now, I wanted the tips of my nails to pop with the neon orange. It didn't pop as much as I wanted it to. So if you want to recreate this design and you want it to pop more, you can do a white base coat and it'll come out really cool. Once I was done, I removed the liquid latex and I want to add a little glitz and glamour. So I painted my nails with a Holo glitter flake nail polish. Then using my nail plate, I got this from Amazon. It's supposed to be a Nichole Diary plate. I'm going to apply black polish onto this thorn, rose, spiderweb look. I call this design my Black Roses Halloween nail design, and I absolutely love how this came out. I just thought it's pretty, and I thought adding that stamp design in black just brought the whole look together. Once I was done, I removed the liquid latex and I painted a quick dry top coat. I hope you love this design as much as I love it. Here's the finished look. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel to get updates on when I upload new videos, and check out my Instagram at Funwithmynails to see more of my nail art. Thanks so much for watching. See you next time.